today's video, we'll be exploring the CRM module within the system. So that is dealing with all of our leads and opportunity. So first things first, I'll show you how to create a lead, and then we can go on and create an opportunity, and then I can show you the task section as well. So if we go ahead and create a new lead, I'll show you all of the relevant fields on the page and I can explain to you what they will mean. So first things first, we've got our name. This will just be the name of our lead. The status, which would be in this case new because it is a new lead, but we have got a few other on here as well. We've got the currency, so this will be the default currency for our lead and it will pull onto any sales orders and opportunities for our lead. We have the amount. This will be the estimated amount we think we can get out of this lead, and we have a percentage of what we think we have to close this lead. We have a date that we want to close this lead by. We've got any comments which will pull onto our opportunity, and we can select our sales representative over here, the tax rule, the pricing tier, and the payment terms. Quite similar to the customer card, just with a few extra fields on there. So I'm going to go ahead and quickly fill this out. Once I've filled that, I can go ahead and click save. Once that has saved, we can go ahead and fill out the address and contact details for our lead. So we can pop in a billing and shipping address in here, and we can go ahead and pop a contact in here as well. And that's where we can store the email address and phone number. We can also add any attachments against our lead, and we can also see the activity log here to see when this lead was created and any amendments that have been made to this lead. You can also create an opportunity straight off your lead card, and it will populate the lead details at the top, and you would just need to add the product information at the bottom. Alternatively, I'll show you the other option now, which would be to go onto CRM and click on new opportunity there. You can also convert your lead into a customer by clicking this convert button here. So now let's move on to opportunities. Here we would pop in our contact details. So let me just pull up our lead that we have just created. Once we have selected our leads, all of the information we filled out earlier will populate into the following fields. The few extra columns we have on here, we have a reference here, so that will just be the leads reference and maybe something like a PO number. And we also have the shipping details here. So we have the location. This is where the stock will be coming from to fulfill this opportunity. And we also have the carrier and service and the shipping information as well. If we go ahead and click on opportunity, we can go ahead and select our products for this opportunity. So if we go ahead and just order one of those, we also have the option to add any additional charges and services. So anything like an installation charge or a shipping charge down at the bottom here. Once we are happy with that, we can go ahead and click save. Once we have selected save, we can then mark this opportunity in progress, and we can go ahead and authorize it there. To have a look at the opportunities within the system, we can go ahead and go to CRM and click opportunities. We can see our opportunities in a list view, but we can also see them in a Kanban view. We can go ahead and select one of these opportunities here and progress it to the next stage just by dragging and dropping that there. Alternatively, you can progress it all through on the opportunity. So you can click approve here and we can pop that in, and that has now marked as one, or you can do it on the Kanban view here as well. There is also a Kanban view for your leads as well. So if we have a look at that there, we've got our leads in there and we've got them on a Kanban here. So they're marked as new at the minute. So if we wanted to move them to qualified, we can move them as qualified there, or to attempting to contact, we can move them down there. You can also create tasks for yourself within the CRM module. So this is a task that I made earlier to chase up this lead here. So the notification would be on here and on my task to say that I need to chase up this opportunity today here, and it will be in my calendar within the system. if we then go and have a look at our opportunity, we can go ahead and convert this to a sale now, as our opportunity has won.